Then we are coming to the last code, which is Industrial Relations Code. This is specifically with respect to industrial disputes. The definition of the term industry, it is modified in line with Apex Code verdict in Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage. We all know, I think that must be a systematic activity that must be carried out with the cooperation of a management and the workers, and it is finally for the cause of the human beings. So the wish of the human being, right? So if both all these three ingredients are present, then that place will be considered as an industry. That is how it is. Of course, the exception is charitable institutions excluded, social institutions excluded, philanthropic it is excluded, domestic services it is excluded. Otherwise, it will be considered as industry. And concerted mass casual leave. If more than 50% of the workers they are going on leave, then I think mass casual leave that could be construed as strike now as per the code. And willful go slow would be treated as unfair labor practice on the part of the workers. So they can the management can take action against those workers. And permission for layoff, retrenchment, the current chapter 5B, as we all know, it is applicable for those establishments which engage 100 or more workers. Now that threshold limit 100 is getting increased to 300, right? So less than 300, they need not get the permission. But of course, there are certain conditions. They may have to pay the compensation. All those things are there, but a special permission from the authority concerned is not required. And workers reskilling fund, it is being established through the courts. In addition to, in case of retrenchment of workers, in addition to the retrenchment compensation payable, the 15 days salary of the last drawn wage of the individual worker is to be paid by the management to the reskilling fund. It is again to retrain the retrenched worker so that that person can be services of that person can be utilized in some other manner. That is the idea. Again, the maximum number of members of the grievance redressal committee, it is currently it is 6. It is now increased to 10 as per the code. And strike, we all know. I think the notice is to be given from 14 days to 42 days. That is how it is. Now 42 days, it is 6 weeks almost. Now from it is from 14 days to 60 days. Notice can be given now before going on strike. And the time period for filing a grievance application is reduced from 3 years to 1 year. So instead of 3 years, within 1 year, the application is to be filed. And the time period for raising industrial dispute by the worker before the conciliation officer, it is reduced to 2 years from 3 years now.